Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're going to take a look at the Sigvaris Doff and Donner replacement sleeve, which is widely considered the best Doff and Donner on the market for compression stockings. If you or someone you know struggles with putting on compression socks or stockings, this product could be a game changer. Putting on compression socks can be a challenge, especially for those with limited mobility or strength. The Sigvaris Doff and Donner replacement sleeve is designed to make this task much easier. It's a soft, non-latex sleeve that helps guide your compression stockings up and down your legs or arms effortlessly, allowing you to don and doff your stockings with ease. One of the standout features of the Doff and Donner is how simple it is to use. Whether you are putting on stockings yourself or helping someone else, this device ensures the process is smooth, quick, and hassle-free. The sleeve works for all types of compression stockings, making it versatile for any compression therapy needs. Not only does it make wearing compression garments more manageable, but it also helps eliminate the frustration of pulling, tugging, and struggling with wrinkles that often occur when trying to put on these specialized socks. It is especially helpful for caregivers and people who need to use compression socks on a daily basis, offering convenience and comfort all around. When you use the Sigvaris Doff and Donner, you'll notice that your stockings will glide on more easily, and you won't have to worry about damaging the fabric with rough handling. It's gentle yet effective in making sure your compression garments fit snugly and comfortably. This product is a must-have for anyone who wears compression stockings regularly, and it's highly recommended for anyone who needs assistance with self-donning. With its simple design, ease of use, and effective functionality, it's no wonder the Sigvaris Doff and Donner replacement sleeve is considered the best in its category. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more product reviews.